What's going on in the heart of Barcelona is a protest in which people are calling for the national Spanish police, the Policia Nacional, to make the same wages as the Catalan police and the police in some other autonomous regions are making. Apparently, the Catalan police are better paid than the national Spanish police, and there's a protest in support of the national Spanish police and demand that they make salaries on par with the Catalan police, which from what I hear is 2,000 euros a month. I don't know if that's for the entry level or what. Anyway, this is actually getting pretty large and fairly raucous. I'm hearing some kind of explosive sounds, which might be tear gas being shot off. I don't know. I'm gonna go down here and take a look. I was about to head out on the bus to the airport, which is parked right there. I guess it's not going to be driving down this route because we've got a bit of a traffic jam or some congestion here right around Plaza de la Catalonia here in the heart of Barcelona. Well, I don't know if there was any tear gas, but as you can see, there's fireworks, and as the crowd seems to get louder and louder, there was also the banner, which you could see comparing the salaries of the national police and the police in other regions, and it was a 2,600 to 1,400 euro comparison. I don't know where those figures are from, but you can see that's what this protest is about, and it's interesting how this comes with a backdrop of the Catalan independence issues, and there's going to be a big vote coming up in about 10 days in regional elections here in Catalonia, and I haven't interviewed most of these people, but I'm guessing based on the flags they're carrying and who they work for that this is a crowd that does not support Catalan independence. So I don't know if this is going to add anything to the independence issue. It seems like it's rather separate, but there does seem to be some correlation, so that's an interesting note to throw in there, and I'm going to say adios from the heart of Barcelona.